Hello, folks. It's me again. Alright, today I'm going to teach you, people that are over 21, how to shotgun a beer. See this? That's a beer. See that? You know what that is. Alright, let's pan down a little bit. All you're going to do, poke your hole, plug it up. Got a little hole there now that's plugged up. Make that a little bigger. There we go. Can you see that? Alright. Now let's get down to business. You're going to want to hold it like this. Get your finger under there. Okay? Put your mouth to it. It's not the first time you've heard that. And do this. Oh boy. That's how you shotgun a beer.